Hi all. In this video, we'll try to solve one more question in Tableau. That is how to show percentage of total using analysis menu. So for that, I will create a pivot table. Let's say I will show category and subcategory wise total profit. So I will drag category and subcategory to rows and I will drag profit to text. So here it is showing me for each combination of category and subcategory, what is the total profit. Now the question was to show the percentage of total by using analysis menu. So what I need to do is I need to go to analysis menu, percentage of. Okay, now the question is which option should I select? So now I need to see whether that measure is present under rows or columns. So you can see over here that in rows we have all the dimensions and in columns we don't have anything. So I will go to analysis, percentage of. So here I will select as columns because we need to check where the dimensions are present. So the dimensions are present in rows. So that means I need to select column. So as you can see over here, it is showing me the percentage contribution of profit for each subcategory. And if we just add those profits, so you'll get the total value as 100%. So subcategory wise, it is showing me the percentage contribution of profit. So this is with respect to the lower hierarchy because category is my upper hierarchy and subcategory is the lower hierarchy. So here it is showing with respect to subcategory. Now, what if I want to show the percentage of total with respect to the upper hierarchy, that is category? That means under furniture, what is the percentage contribution of subcategories? Under office supplies, what is the percentage contribution of subcategories? And under technology, what is the percentage contribution of subcategories? So for that, again, I will go to analysis, percentage of, and you have to select pane. So pane works with respect to the upper hierarchy. So here the upper hierarchy is category. So under each category, you will have the percentage contribution of subcategories. So if I just add these values under furniture category, you will get a total of 100%. Similarly, if I add the values of office supplies, you will get a total of 100%. And similarly for technology as well. So here I'm getting the percentage contribution of subcategories with respect to each category. In the previous case, we had seen the percentage contribution of category with respect to the entire data set. So in this way, we can show the percentage of total using analysis menu. So that's it from this video. Thanks everyone.